What if everything that you've been taught about success, growth, and purpose is just surface level? Hi, I'm Awit, and this is Nhom Lau, which means free mind. This channel exists for seekers, overthinkers, and the ones who feel like there is a little bit more, but can't quite name it yet. Every week, we go beyond the noise into the real talks about mindset, identity, confidence, and habit. Because the goal isn't just to improve, it's to break free. We challenge the stories that hold us back, and we ask the questions that lead us to deeper living. So, if you are ready to rewire how you think, speak, and show up in the world, you are in the right place. Hit subscribe, watch something stirs within you, and let's begin the journey back to who you were before the world told you who to be. Welcome to Nhom Lau.